anxiety who makes me ill. It's the same that attacks me. I'm trapped as I'm fed. I cannot sleep because I must decide. Because I feel like it's time. Because I couldn't sleep. And I don't think drugs got for me. Need to get away from here. Someone tell me about the sister that I of society. Into the sun. Oh, and I don't think drugs got for me. And to get away from here, someone tell me about the sense of the looks like that I failed. I don't need you in my mind. Watch have grown. She could not forget what it is to fight. She burns the players, then she falls in disgrace. Cause the people realize that she's just getting high. In the players where she had grown, she could not ascend. She falls in disgrace as the people realize that she's just getting higher. She's in the basement. She's in a basement and she can't get it. where she had grown. She could not forget what it takes to fire. She's pressed a liar as she walks by my side, and she shows what she hides from the rest of the hide. So please go now, so please go now. Don't look back to this town. So please go now, so please go now. Don't look back. You don't lie. She's in her basement. She's in her basement and she can't get out. Please leave the pavement. Oh, leave the pavement. Bring us that light. So please go now, so please go now. Don't look back into this town. So please go now, so please go now. Don't look back. You don't lie. Paying the price. You don't lie. Muchas gracias. Somos Fake Teddy, venimos de Logroño. Tenemos el placer de inaugurar la edición de este año del Villa de Bilbao. Es una puta pasada tener este privilegio y muchas gracias a todos por venir. Esperemos que os mole, hay CDs por ahí para vender, seguidnos en Facebook, Instagram y esas mierdas. To the place where all beauty are dire, because you need something to remind you that life will not fire. Oh, let the yellow catch the blue, because she change you look so good, but she doesn't dance. You look so smart. She doesn't dance. 25 when you're driving 45. It's the same old message, the same old creature. You want that one, you want that twice. Gracias. Last night I decided to sit on the edge of the couch. That side of some coins I have lost on the seams of my heart. Some stuff you look so good through the time. Getting tired of your body. Chestnut, my friend, by the side, by your side. Chestnut, my friend, you will get what you want. Oh no. Gonna make the sign of the blade of your knife. It really affects my soul. This is the logical game I should play just to try not to want that wife, want that twice before here. Says to that room and throw myself to the boy. Chestnut, my friend, by your side, by your side. Chestnut, my friend, you will get what you want. Chestnut, my friend, by your side, by your side. Chestnut, my friend, you will get what you want. Oh no. Falling apart like a sunk castle. You hit like that tide on the rails of my mind. Woo! You set me does it. This shit is deep in my chest, and I don't want you to stay. They're trying to make me doubt about you, but I know you will come to my side, 'cause you said someday we will find out where she said someday. Muchas gracias. Eso era Face. Y nos vamos a ir despidiendo. This colorful streets were on the sand. We should not stare but glance so they couldn't see. 'Cause every fall man a reason to stand. I shake my destiny so all is okay. So this feeling something that will prevail. Stage, my ego's trying to grab the tiny rope that hangs by threads from the sky. Self-esteem is made of pieces of you. It falls apart while I'm inside into two. Something that will prevail. God's got a plan. I'm not involved. Oh, my man. Oh. Muchas gracias. Bueno, ahora sí que sí, nos vamos. It's like a perfect place you get lost inside. You got me in your soul, and I don't have the guts enough to speak to you. You got me in your words, some pieces of heaven. Situation is making me sick. Could be your only one. Could you let me take you? You gave me your fun, and made me explode. Could be your only one. Could you let me take you? Yes, alone. Could it be your only one? Because you're my God, and I want you to. All I have is this cage that I want you to stay. All I have is this chaos, but I want you to stay. Could it be your only one? Oh, could you let me take you? Oh, could it be your only one? Because you're Gracias.